Smells like money, baby. Smells like money. Fuck, I love this shit.
Meet the sixes, not your average niggas. We get money, bitch, that can figure. 600 chain when it swing, this bitch glitz. She listen, I might drip the bitch with some Chris. A nigga play with me, next day bet he miss. 4G out of my truck, gotta watch how I whip. Came up off a rap, never thought I could vision these cities and all of these hundreds and fifties. Came in ballin', they call us the big. Known for stepping on shit like a nigga with big feet. Chasing that sack, I feel like I'm an athlete. Heard he was bumping them bullets, pro acne. Dog ass nigga.
He's going. He's got it. All right, film for a second.
Film?
Yeah.
Today's Sunday. I'm working out in the shop here right now. I figured it was a good time to film the brand deal because I just finished a 3-day fast, and during that 3-day fast, I was actually drinking Element. I've been drinking this stuff for the past 4 weeks, but specifically this weekend when I was fasting, Element is a electrolyte drink mix formulated for athletes, business owners, everyday people, moms, dads, blue-collar people that are working out in the summer heat and they want to stay hydrated because it has 2 to 3 times the recommended dose of sodium in it as well. You get rid of that nausea, gets the good stuff in your body. This stuff is awesome. If you guys would like to receive a free Element sample pack, then you can with any mixed drink order and in the description down below. Make sure to check it out. Element supported me. I've been drinking this stuff. I love it. I literally am here on Sunday. I don't have my filmer with me. Go check it out. Go try them. Element. Back to the video.
2050 River Road is the address here. We're working for Kata Construction. Doing this house build. Me and Daniel were here. So a year ago, this was one of my first jobs. We dug this foundation out, and what you see here was probably 10 feet down from here. There was absolutely nothing backfilling this when we showed up the other day. All of the existing fill that was there, we casted back over to backfill the property. Took about, I don't know, we've been here for a week and a bit now. Week and a bit, we backfilled this whole property. Put the laneway in. They've got, I want to say this whole front area here is heated concrete, so the snow will melt right off it. That well was 6 feet low, so we had to get a well company in here to weld an extension on it as well. We did the hydro vault, so they have to have a transformer because I guess it's a certain amount of amps. It's over 400 amps. It's like a 750 volt service. I'm not an electrician, so don't quote me, but they had to get hydro volt with their own transformer put on the property, and that 6x6 post is going to hold their meter. But basically, we had about a 350-foot trench all the way to the road, down the old existing laneway to here, about 3 to 4 feet deep, buried in sand with the tape and whatnot. And then we had to trench from the vault to the house. This is left exposed because they have to ground it, the electrician, so they put rods in the ground and they connect it just to make sure that the whole pad is grounded properly. But yeah, once we get this all graded up and done, they're going to start on siding. They're going to finish the roofs and the windows, and then we'll be back to do the septic, do basically everything up to the rough grade, and then landscapers take over because there's a whole bunch of rock walls and retaining walls around this place. But yeah, it's a pretty sweet project so far.
Perfect. You didn't mention how bad of an operator I was, right?
Oh, I did say that for sure.
What's up, guys?
Press this one.
Which one? No, I'm not.
Press them.
Why?
Do it.
Is this the horn? What? Which one? Oh. I found it!
Keep coming! You fucked this up. Honk the horn, usually the truck, usually that means to stop the truck.
What was it like getting stuck?
Oh, it was fun.
Fun, yeah?
Why can't they make these so they self-clean?
I got it
bit this morning. We're live. Got a bunch of the guys here today. Haven't been able to get here in a while. It's been raining. The weather's been really bad, but now it's sunny this morning. It's been sunny for the past 3 days. So we're gonna look at some peat moss that was imported here a long time ago and hopefully mix that up with some of our soil. I'm looking for Mike. He should be coming back down here, but the loader can bomb down here, grab this, mix it in with some of the topsoil that we've imported here. Because the main thing with this spot is the topsoil remains here. Topsoil that's here stays here for the rehab of the pit. It's like a whole thing. But we brought in soil so that we have soil in this location as well as where we are. So that's not an hour round trip when we have jobs up this way. Let's go look at this frickin' peat moss. Animal prints up here, coyote looks like. Yeah, there's a lot of wildlife here. But this peat moss is not from this swamp. You can see behind here, this swamp is natural. This peat moss is not from the swamp, but peat moss is from bogs. It lives at the bottom of them, and it's just a bunch of organic material. Here's Mike. Holy golly, stop on that. Yeah, this stuff is fucking beauty. I wonder if the battery's dead on the old stalker, actually. She'll go. She'll go. Told you. Gotta see this stacker fires up. Fill up or the oil check? Check the others. Check that. Is there a dipstick on that side? I can see the fill up port. I don't think there's a dipstick on the fill up port. It's a little low. She needs a little bit of oil. Do we have oil? Oh yeah. Probably gonna need those. Perfect. Yeah, bring one. Should be good. That's full. They were good for that.
Last time I was here, I watched a goose fight. Swans and the gooses.
So here we are at the pit, doing fucking pit stuff. Screening topsoil and starting shit, and it's gonna be a nice sunny day.
Scared of ticks now.
Yeah, I know. Hey, nice. All right, should we take the dog for a walk? Let's take the dog for a walk. Handy thing about this 1400 is the remote. You can stand behind it and walk it. It's all tracked. It's what we call taking the dog for a walk. Let this baby stretch her legs, you know? Gotta let her eat. Make sure everybody's clear. Oh, girl. Oh, boy. Oh, boy. Hold on, boy. We're trying to get this set up in the best way possible so that whenever you're setting up the screen, you want to always take into account where your tailings are coming off, where your main feeder, and then where your big tailings. So I'm thinking if I back it up right here, he can sit on the pile that's behind me, mix some peat into it, darken it up, and we're going to shoot the topsoil out that way. The tailings can go right into the, fill in some low spots in the bush there. Just need to get it up over this hump. Big part of it is keeping it level. Nice little trick. If you have a scraper retracts, you want to kind of dig in and sit nice as you do the old fucking this. Just inspecting the strings up here. Come on up here, Jake. You got your main feeder. Looks like some birds are hanging up out here. We got our main feeder, runs down into a 1/2 inch mesh. Below that, we have your first top screen, which is an 8 mil flex harp, and the bottom screen is another 8 mil flex harp. So 8 millimeter. Anything 1/2 inch or bigger falls off that. 8 mil or less comes off that belt. Your good material comes off the one over here behind me. And we used to run straight harp strings. But the flex harp, what it does is it doesn't allow for the roots and the sticks and the twigs to get jammed like the straight harps do. So we find good success with the flex.
Great success.
You run that, I'll run this. Just don't kill me. Although if my wife's listening, I am insured, so my wife would be like, ooh, life insurance money. Just kidding, my wife's awesome. Up. Perfect. Nice and slow. Nice and slow. Up. Perfect. Yeah, straighten out more. You gotta go through there. Okay, so we got Stacker in somewhat of a better spot, but he's gonna flip his bucket on sideways. It's underneath the hopper where I need it, but I need this portion angled this way. So he's gonna pop his bucket off, throw it on backwards, reach up underneath and grab this A-frame right here and lift it up and shift it over for us. Yeah, if we hit it right on this cross member. Nice and slow, nice and slow. Curl. Yeah. Good, walk it this way. Fuck yeah, baby. Nice. Fucking perfect, yeah. Sweet. I think just to be safe, let's move it like 6 inches. No, I think we're good that way. I think I just need to come out this way because it launches off. Fuck, I love this shit. You able just to grab that and pull it? Okay, good, whoa. Now just straight up. Okay, whoa. That way. Whoa. Drop. Perfect. So we're just getting everything all leveled out right now. If you don't have the stacker super level, the belt will actually go wonky on you. So remember those boards we were talking about? That's where they are now. I just used my iPhone to level this shit. I mean, ideally you have a 4-foot level. I'm happy with that. It was a little off to start with, but he's gonna climb up here. See him climb up the pile. Okay, we're gonna fire everything up. First thing is stacker. You gotta turn the stacker on first, because if you fire up the screener first, stuff's gonna start coming up and pile up and bog out your stacker. You don't need to rev this that high either. About quarter throttle all day. It burns no fucking fuel. This is your engage. Woo! Smells like money, baby. Smells like money. So you want to pump it up. It's warm enough. It's been running all morning. Lock it in place. That turns on your main feeder, your drive collection belt, your screen. Start shaking. Right hand side conveyor and your drive tail conveyor. And now you're screening. This is the peat moss that he just put in. You get all these little pebbles out, they'd be able to run those back through.
Hey, change of plans. We're actually bringing the 315 out there now. But he's going to get all situated up here and get screened. So I think it's a perfect opportunity to check things out from above. Get the drone in the air.
Every single day, May I kick a little something for the G's and make a few ends as I breeze through at 2 in the morning. Party still jumping cause my mama ain't home, and bitches in the living room ripping a bone, and ain't leaving till 6 in the morning.
We got everything screened up. That's a lie. We did not get everything screened up. We got everything set up to screen so that we can get enough soil at this location so that we're able to move the screener back to the yard and screen at our yard as well. So that, like I said, we have stuff in both places. Right now, when you first start screening in the morning, that's kind of what we've been fighting. That's why I was messing with the belts. It's coming off a little damp, so it's actually clogging up those flex harps a bit. But as the sun comes out, it looks like behind us the clouds are going to be coming out as well more. The clouds will be going away, allowing the sun to kind of really hit, warm up and dry out some of that damper material, crisp it up. It just needs to see sun for a little bit, and then it can really clear up those flexes. They'll notice it through the day. Another hour, 2 hours out here, they'll be able to speed that feeder back up on the main housing, and they'll be good to go. But yeah, I just wanted to kind of show you guys a little bit of what we were doing. I know when I first started, I love showing the screener, and it's crazy to see, I think, where we are, where we've been, where we started screening with our Commander 510 to now having a Warrior at our own pit. Pretty crazy, pretty surreal feeling. Staying on top of that pile up there was pretty crazy. Somebody said that they had a tick on them, so now I'm like, feel like I got some ticks. So appreciate you guys. This is an awesome, awesome time. Merch, let me tell you, you guys wanted some serious stuff coming. There's some serious stuff coming. The hats that we have are sick. We may or may not be doing swim trunks. Hey, I don't know, but expect to see that in the coming videos as stuff starts coming in to me so that we have stock. We're doing it differently than we did before. Before we would you guys would pre-order, then we'd buy, so then you have to wait 3 weeks. Now I'm just getting in stock. That way, as soon as your order comes in, it goes out, and I'm excited for that, to see all the KWC being rocked around, baby. Thanks for tuning in. Catch you guys on the next one. What up? Oh, sorry, I can do that again. But of course, I didn't forget to be guys, the true patriots of the channel that watch these entire videos to the very end, which is literally right now. And if you are one of those true patriots, I want you guys to comment down below. Keep screening. Why keep screening? Because that's what these guys got to do today to get the shit done that we need done. Keep screening. So if you watch the entire video to the very end, which is right now, comment down below. Keep screening. I appreciate you guys. We'll catch you on the next one. As always, take care.